I'm going to another part of Flowers Bay, which is at the back. We just refer to it as at the back.
Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, oh take me home. Country roads, how much elephant, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees. You can get down the mountain, blow it like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place.
These are cashew seeds that will be dried and roasted. Dried in the sun first, then roasted, parched, break, and placed in the oven. Cashew seed, locally grown cashew seed.
I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, oh take me home.
How do you make the corn rice?
How do you make the corn rice? Okay, first you get your corn and then you pour a big pot of water. You put in the corn, then you throw some soda.
Soda? Oh, baking soda?
Baking soda.
Oh.
We use the ashes. We put it in a bag and we tie it that it do
Come out?
and then you just put it in there with that.
So what is in there? Soda or ashes?
No, this is already done that part.
Oh.
Okay, they already do that part. So we just clean them out. So they're clean already.
You clean the eye out?
Yeah, the eye and the trash and everything. They're already clean now. So I just boil them again. Just
to make them
over.
get softer?
Or to take out some of the ashes. And
so it's either ashes or baking soda?
Well, I put both.
Okay.
I do both, ashes and the baking soda. I put enough in order to that they can shell,
you get the skin off.
To come off.
Yeah.
After that, you throw out this water.
Okay.
Then I put fresh water with sugar. And you boil
so
it.
this has sugar right now?
No, not this one. This one I have to throw away. I just throw it away, to take out some of the ashes flavor and the soda flavor.
Okay.
So after this, then I get some more water. I pour this out. I throw more water and I put sugar. Let it boil and it boil.
For the sugar to go into the corn.
To soak into the corn.
Okay.
After that, you get your coconut milk, pet milk, and whole milk.
Okay.
You get vanilla, canela,
cinnamon.
Yes, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Do you put vanilla?
Yes, vanilla.
My favorite essence.
And more. Well, you sweeten it to your taste. If you want it sweet or not so much sweet. So
okay.
So after that, so we mix flour. Thicken it like haciendo flour pop or something.
Okay. You thicken the sauce with flour.
And after that you throw it in and then you keep stirring and then it will get thick. And make sure that the corn, is soft.
Okay.
If you see that the corn is not too soft, then you can boil them some more, to how you want it to. So that's that.
That was fun.
Oh, and we put some butter too.
Oh, butter. I had no idea.
A stick of butter in like 2 pounds.
How much pound is this?
This is 6 pounds.
Oh.
6 pounds corn. So you can do like 2 pounds.
And then when you finish the finished product, will the pot be full?
Yes.
You do everything outside here? You take the pot in?
No, I take the pot in, you do it inside. You can do it outside too if you want to save more.
Save gas, yes.
You can do it outside. But
and this is what we call fire hot.
Yeah,
outdoor.
this outdoor cooking, and this
Yeah.
will do the job.
This is the
All
finished
right.
Once you
product of
finish
the
that and you
corn
taste that,
rice.
Oh, I love
I
it.
think you will
I
want
love
some
it.
more.
So you all gonna sell this tomorrow?
Tomorrow, probably Friday.
Friday. Oh, but you start the job
I
from
set it
now.
from now. I just this now
Oh.
after this cool.
Look at the fire.
Then
already.
I will just put it in the refrigerator. I take the corn out, or I will boil it and let the sugar soak into it, and then you can leave it there because it won't spoil.
You could hot it every day
yeah,
to keep it from
Or
spoiling.
you put it in the fridge.
But the
when you're
milk,
ready.
the milk part of it will be done on Friday or
Yeah.
from now
No.
on
What
Friday.
Oh, you put it
The
in?
same day when you're gonna
No, the same day that you're
sell
gonna
it.
sell, you do that in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, you pour
Okay.
the
I have to come
coconut
and buy some Friday then.
Oh, okay. The coconut milk, the pet milk, and the whole milk.
Okay.
And after that, trust me, you will want some more.
Yeah, and it's called corn rice, right?
Corn, it's just the name of the rice. You say
I don't know
corn
why they
rice.
put
I don't
why
know
they put the word rice on it because it doesn't have any rice. It's just corn. But anyway, it's called corn rice, and I hope I can come and take a video of the finished product and show everyone how corn rice is made in Rotan Flowers Bay.
Yeah.
Or should I say Flowers Bay Rotan?
I guess either way.
Yeah.